Chanel's got it. Let them play for a second. Oh, no, they're after the ball. You got the ball, Chanel? You got the ball? Aw, good girl. You bring it to Mama? Good girl. Good girl. You need to have your treats here when she does that, Dan. She likes to play ball. Could get the ball, Bree Bree? There it goes. Oh, you missed it. She didn't see it.